Yeah! Get up!
What is up, everybody? So, doing a little experiment. I don't know if any of you are on Pinterest, but there's this little thing that they do on Pinterest. Well, actually, it's all over social media, where the fad, a new fad goes on, or more specific to Pinterest though, someone will do like a craft, or they'll bake something, or they'll cook something, and they call Pinterest fails. And so what happens is, you know, somebody will try to bake something all pretty, or somebody will try to make something extravagant, and it looks nothing like the original creation that you would see on something like Pinterest. So what I've done is I've taken this recent fad. I don't know if any of you have seen it, but if you haven't, you have now. It's polished aluminum balls. People were getting aluminum foil, and they were basically molding it and shaping it and then pounding it out into variation size of balls, and then they were polishing them to look all like ornamental, all out of just aluminum foil that you can get at the store. So what I did was I went to the store, I bought some aluminum foil, and I got a little start on it last night, and we're gonna try and finish that out today and see if it's a Pinterest fail or if it's gonna look good. Now we'll see. From what I've done so far, I think it's going to be pretty good. I'm not sure that it's going to look like the ones that you see where, you know, people's look all nice and perfect and perfectly round. I don't know that I'll succeed in that way, but I think that it's going to turn out okay. So we'll see.
A few moments later.